Let's talk about arrays in this video. Arrays are many variables with one common reference, which are of type iterable. So in this video we're gonna see the last loop that we discussed earlier, for each. Also we can iterate over arrays with the for loop. Arrays are a reference data type, so they have built-in methods. So let's declare one array. First we declare the type of variables that will be contained into the array. My_r, this is the name of the array, and we put squiggly brackets, and here comma separated elements. Let's say my car 1, my car 2, my car 3. Alright, so arrays are zero based, which means that element 1 is on index 0, element 2 is on index 1, element 3 on index 2, and so forth and so on. So if we want to print our array, let's say we want to print all the items, we need to iterate over its elements. First way that I'm gonna show you is with the for loop. Int I equals 0. Then we iterate over the array.length, which is a built-in method. As I mentioned earlier, they have built-in methods which we can use by default. So until I is less than my array.length, we are iterating over, so we're printing the my array, and on every iteration we will have array 0, 1, and so on. Okay, we are running it. My car 1, my car 2, my car 3. Okay, so this is our way to access elements from the array. We don't need to iterate the whole one, we can access just by my_r, let's say 2. This is the index 2, which is this element. With arrays, because they're of iterable type, we can use also the for each loop, which can help us to achieve the same thing with the for loop. It's just a slightly different syntax. We need first iterable, which might be called I, let's say, and then we give as a parameter the which array we want to iterate over. Okay, so we are printing this one. Okay, let's see, same result. It's just a slightly different syntax. We're gonna see later in collections what's the purpose of for each, but so far it's good to know that we can iterate over arrays with this one. Later we might see more built-in types for arrays, not types but built-in methods like .length, but this is good for now, and let's continue.